So without a doubt, the best hotel room I've had. Really glorious. And it was only 15 quid, so I haven't even upped the budget that much. But, you know, I'm prepared to start paying 20, 25 quid a night to live in places like this. But, fuck me, the lift. Why would any hotel have a lift that makes a noise? Makes a ding-dong noise. I mean, I imagine it's for blind people. Which, you know, I get. So that, it doesn't sound like much, but when you're lying in bed at 5 in the morning and it's every 10 fucking minutes, fuck me, I just can't understand why a hotel would have a beeping lift. So today we're going house hunting. We are going to rent a flat long term until the end of my visa in Vietnam. I'm going to go and view one in half an hour. It looks fucking amazing. There's 6 that I've seen that I'm interested in, but the one that I like the best I'm viewing first. So if it works, I'm just going to move in today, pay the money, and have my own permanent quiet space for over 2 months. I cannot wait. Just had a bit of a rigmarole with the whole Grab thing. The driver said I booked the wrong pickup location and it's cancelled, and then a Grab driver's turned up, so I'm like, is this the original one, or is this one that I've just recently rebooked? I don't know what's going on. Okay, he's nothing to do with me, so that's good news. Alright, Grab drive in 2 minutes and then we will go flat hunting. Oh, yes! Here's our driver. You'll notice I've got a fleece on. It's about 8 in the morning and Dalat is cool. As in a climate cool. And fucking, I think it is going to be super cool as well. It's so nice after, I might get to a point where I miss the temperature, but after living in really hot conditions for quite a while, it is so nice to be in like a European climate again, but still with all the awesomeness of Asia and still no images. The flat we're going to look at, it looks so nice. It's 11 mils, so I think that's 350 quid a month. It's in Ward 11, which apparently is just outside of Dalat. No karaoke bars, the quietest ward. And it's got beautiful nature all around it, so yeah, I'm feeling really good about this. I've just put, can you help me get any cannabis into my translator app, so when we get there, obviously I won't film it, but I'm going to present that to him, see if we can kill 2 birds with 1 stone with this project. We're nearly there. Is it abandoned? Is it still being worked on? Like, you never know, you see so many construction projects that I can only assume have been done by an expat who, maybe this is a projection on my part, then ran into visa problems or financial problems and they get abandoned halfway through. But, so you just never know. Anyway, it looks like this is... Hello! I come to view?
Yes.
Yeah. This is what I want to see.
2 bedroom.
Fine.
2 bedroom.
I want 1 bedroom, but 2 is okay. If it's the right place, then no problem.
Because of now.
Hello, doggo.
Because of now, still have tenant
Had-
renting. Have tenant renting.
Oh, what?
Not few days more will be available. That's
Oh, you're
why.
joking. You didn't
That's
tell me
why.
that. I thought I want to move in today.
Today? No.
Ah, shit. All right, well, let's have a look, but that's very disappointing.
Sorry, let me.
So now is the 23rd or 4th, something like that?
No, 26.
Oh, it's 26 now. Okay, can I see?
And this. And let me talk. Let me ask the tenant. And wake up late.
Yeah,
So-
I mean, I didn't,
Yes.
I wasn't told there were tenants in there.
I
Also, there's building work. Is there a lot of building noise here? I can hear bang, 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 bang. Does that happen a lot?
some like they are building.
Yeah, okay.
Then do you think how long will you rent?
20th of May, so 2 months and 3 weeks, something like that. There's quite a lot of music going on actually. I mean, it's jazz, but there is a beat to it. Are you ever going to find anywhere that's quiet in Vietnam? Not sure why I was told to fucking come here if, they haven't even organised whether I can see the apartment. I mean, clearly. Oh my god. So this is the downside of Southeast Asia. It's all very chaotic, and obviously this wouldn't happen in England. But then you'd be paying £1,000 and you wouldn't be able to just move in one day if there wasn't someone there.
Oh, you still in the room, no problem. Let someone just say. Okay, very sorry. Still sleeping.
Well, why did you tell me to come?
No, that guy, I talked with him later because of now they still.
Well, he told me to come now. It's stupid.
No, I'm not.
Okay, and I'm sure it's not your fault, but he is stupid.
Sorry. Someone just look. Yeah, just look. This one. That.
Thank you. Sorry.
Have 2 bedroom.
Okay,
2 bedroom, 2 toilet.
Nice,
two
yeah, no, it's
bedroom,
very
2
nice.
toilet. Yeah. 2
Okay,
bedroom.
let's leave him. Let's.
You can. Okay, sorry. Only
It's
this,
okay.
Only this room. Okay, thank you. Only this room.
Bless me.
The man. Okay.
Sorry.
Have
Okay,
room and toilet.
Very good.
And toilet. And another one have room and also toilet. Yeah. Sorry, Nico.
Okay, let's leave him. I see enough. I like it. It's very nice.
Yeah. Same apartment.
Same sofa.
Yes,
Same
yes.
table.
But-
Same everything.
But 1 bedroom on top. The price cheaper than.
Oh, I
but-
want 1 bedroom.
Yeah, but now she's still sleeping.
Yeah, well, that's okay. I see enough.
Yeah,
I understand.
okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
It's available in 3 day, 4 day, 5 day.
Nico, you leave at the end of this month.
If she
No, depend on you, no problem.
I want a 1 week more.
Oh God.
Yes.
We can book it.
1 week.
He say 1 week more.
Ah,
She
okay.
say 1 week more.
And the one up there, same or?
And a room on top floor, just only 1 bedroom.
Perfect. And how many million dong?
6.
6 million. And it's the same as this?
No, this one 12.
No, but same, but 1 bedroom?
Yes, 1 bedroom has small kitchen.
That's fine, but sofa, does it have sofa? Couch? This chair, this chair.
I will let you see the picture.
Okay, great.
Today. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
And you think it's soon, or it might be 2 weeks, or?
Yes. She says she will leave. She are leaving the end of this month.
Okay,
But
great.
She says sure to tell me today.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's great.
Okay, let me let you see that room, the picture from that.
Okay. Oh, so it's more like a studio.
Yeah.
No, it hasn't
This
got a
one,
sofa.
Yeah. The top floor. Yeah. Not so far, but this one.
Right.
Yeah.
It's not as nice.
Yeah. Yes. The window. Kitchen. Yes, that room.
Okay. All right. Well, tell me when she's moving out, and I think about it.
Yeah.
Quiet here.
Yes, quiet. Yes.
No music, no karaoke.
No music, no karaoke. Yeah. That's why from that room. Yeah. They make the video
Okay.
from that room.
What a strange one. I mean, obviously the fact it's tenanted is disappointing. It doesn't have a sofa, but it is the top floor. That top floor one is £180 a month. There's music in the area, but I don't think it's too intrusive. Now, I've just done an internet test, and I don't even know what to make of it. I've never seen such a great megabyte speed. It was 139. I mean, I've never seen anything like that. But then the upload speed was 0.3. Like, how does that work? And it's the upload that I need. So I'm gonna go and ask AI how that's possible. Very confusing. However, I think we'll be seeing more flats today, because I don't want to live in a hotel for 7 days. I want something today. Oh, and the Grab driver wasn't having any of helping me out with some ganja. Proper Grab helmet represented. Yes, we'll be asking this one. If he can sort out the ganja when we get there. It's such a shame about the lift noise in this hotel, because I would so happily stay in this hotel for another 7 days. And the room's fantastic, but that lift noise, and also the corridors are real noise carriers. You know, anyone has any conversation in that corridor, you can hear it so loudly. So unfortunately, it's going to be a fucking fuck around of a day again. Such a shame because the room is such good value for money. So I think the next thing I need to focus on is getting my own bike and getting a hotel sorted for tonight, and then focusing back on the flats. This guy does not fuck about at all. You could call it kamikaze driving, but yeah, it's actually maybe experienced driving. I thought Grab drivers would be a good link, but seems not. My morning excitement and positivity for the day is rapidly dwindling. The cheapest quote I've got on a bike is 2.2 million, which is pretty expensive. I can't remember what I paid in Hoi An, but AI reckons it should be more like 1.8 million. This looks quite nice. Thinking of getting some breakfast somewhere or a smoothie. But there's this fucking school or something, or just a load of kids shouting there. Basically, I just want to get out of the hotel for a bit and get away from noise, so that cafe is no good. The hotel is so noisy. I can't get my head around it because it's a really nice hotel, but something about the corridors just make it unbearable. Yeah, I don't seem to be able to find any flats, so I've just booked another hotel for tonight. Yeah, feeling pretty deflated about it all, to be honest. This looks great. Sitting two at Smoothies, and they're all less than £1. Wow. Do you have a menu? An English menu? Oh, thank you. It's not English, is it?
No,
So what are these ones? Turns out we only have coffee. Never mind. Healthy drinks, it says on that chair. So presumably that means smoothies. This looks like this sort of establishment that will cater to Westerners, i.e. have an English menu. Apparently not. No English and no smoothies, I don't think. Quite surprised. I thought this was a very touristy place. Maybe this part of town isn't touristy. But yeah, I just don't understand why a business wouldn't have a version of a menu in English. But I think I'll just go back to, oh, but it's so noisy. Go back to a hotel and order something off Grab. Probably the only way I'll actually know what I'm getting. Try this one. I don't even have any sin. I'm good. You do sin smoothie? Iced yogurt with passion fruit. No, I don't think so. Thank you. I've gone from like, yeah, Dalat, 2.5 months, this is going to be great, to just like, fuck me, I want to move back to England. But obviously, you know, it's for nostalgia I want to move back to, not the reality. I want to be back under grey skies and absolute tyranny. It ain't easy living like this. Honestly, I can't actually cope anymore. There's no water. How's there no water? I'm in a Winmart. We've got a whole fucking aisle of milk. Am I going mad? There's gotta be some water in this fucking shop, but isn't there? There's no fucking water. We can get Sprite, we can get Coke, we can get Fanta, we can get shitloads of beer. Can't get any water. What is going on? Oh, Campot is calling. Campot and it's $2 a gram cannabis. And it's $300 whole houses to yourself. Is calling. So I do still have hope that that's going to work. However, you know, it's like staying here just because I've got a 3-month visa is pointless, because one, it was 25 quid. But you know, the money I've spent getting here and the visa and whatever is so, moving back to Campot would totally wipe all that out, because Campot is so cheap and so easy. So at any point, if I'm just like, yeah, this isn't working, I mean, obviously I'll give it a chance, then I will just move back no matter what I've spent on flights and visas and stuff, because it's nothing, and I'll get it all back by living in Campot instead. What's this? Does this have water? Oh my god, I mean, what even is that? It's just mental. It's just, you know, we will only sell poison, we won't sell any water. Waiting for my room with the zombies. God, it's just hell, man, living in hotels and having this 2-hour gap between check-in and then having to sit in a room just full of zombies, man. Oh god. Anyway, I think I found a house from tomorrow. £300 a month is quite nice. So much cheaper. It's like half the price of staying in hotels, and then just being set up and not having corridors and lifts. We're in a greener part of Dalat now. I can't say I'm blown away yet, but I think I still have hope. I still think it's gonna be really good. Man, I just want to cry. So that's reception. This is my room. Fuck me. I've been lucky up until now. I've never had a ground floor room on my reception. Oh, fucking hell. I'm so fucking depressed. Yeah, so there's a Vietnamese family living right there. Obviously they're noisy as noisy as a Vietnamese family. Yeah, this is gonna be 24 hours of absolute hell. Dude, everyone's singing now. Wow. Anyway, I've had a word with a hotel and they've said at 4 o'clock I can change rooms. So we're off again, back on the house hunt. Not as excited this time, more just can I get this fucking sorted? Oh wow, this is quaint, isn't it? It's gorgeous.
It's really quiet.
It's lovely, yeah.
So now we have one BBQ area.
Yeah, it's very nice.
Yeah. One living room. One kitchen and bathroom.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, and it's bathroom above.
Yeah, I mean, it looks really good. So there's no karaoke bars around here?
A lot.
I live alone, yeah. So what do you think, guys? Should I take it? I've just done an internet test and it's good. It's in a nice quiet corner. I think it's a winner. No sofa though. Oh right, so they're going to stop people singing at their house?
Yeah.
Wow. But is it not a big Vietnam culture to sing karaoke in?
Yeah. Vietnam people really like to sing karaoke, but now that's so noise.
So why are the government doing that if the people like it? So are the people happy about it or are they upset?
I think that's just for good for your karaoke restaurant.
I think so, but I'm not Vietnamese, yeah. But a lot of people will be upset that
Yeah.
government do that?
Of course, of course.
Wow, interesting. That's good news. Because more foreigner are here now, or do some people in Vietnam are saying it's too noisy, stop karaoke, or why have government decided to do that?
I think that's maybe it's, the government want the Vietnamese people to focus time on working.
Ah, right, yeah.
To increase the economy.
Tax.
Yeah.